Ah, anyone else need to release stimulation, energy, whatever way that we become grounded and anchored? May I suggest this morning a simple and easy meditation technique. And with this meditation, there is nowhere to go. There's no thing to be other than where we are right here, right now. Everything necessary for becoming still, for plugging in, connecting to, aligning with spirit, principle, divine mind, divine love, source. Have you noticed the piece of furniture on which you sit is fully supporting you? And I see that as a reminder that we live in a friendly universe. The universe rushes to support our highest good. Think of that. Bring that thought, that idea into your heart space. We allow our mind to think. There's nothing to resist or push back. We return again and again and again to the breath, the literal movement of spirit in us. And as we step into the silence, we are reminded again, the universe rushes to support my highest good. It's such a delicious opportunity. The opportunity to be, period. Our hearts are grateful for the spiritual community, for the unity movement, and for what we bring to the community and to the movement. The universe rushes to support my highest good, and I am grateful. And so it is.